Yeah, g'day. This is just a quick review of some driving lights I got off eBay from a guy in Hong Kong named Comey. He was actually fantastic. I'll put a link in the description. Cheers. 3,500 lumens each. I believe they are. And I've wired them back here. So they're auto dimming, or the dim adjustment I'm doing with the switch, which I've mounted in the back under the seat. Both are wired through here in these plugs, so that you can just unplug it and do one at a time. And there's the switch, and it's just taped off like that so that it doesn't accidentally activate. And I just leave it tucked in under there, and we're all good. Now, the working end. The two relays fit inside the bucket. So all the wiring's all tucked in the back there. Both relays, I've labelled them for the high beam and the main lights. That's all good. So for you Americans, you're going to go ahead and put those in there, right there, real quick. And for you Kiwis, just chuck those fuckers in the back and they'll be good. Now, because these have a colour temperature of 6500 K, the original bulb was probably about 3000 K. So it was yellow and it looked pretty average. So I don't know if you can see in there, but I've just put in new LED light. Like that. And that is 4000 lumens on high beam. And it has the same temperature colour as the driving lights. So it's 6500, I believe. So as you can see now, both the driving lights and the headlight are white. You gotta love that. There we go, up to high beam. And it is magical. Even just the LED headlight is a huge improvement on the stock headlight. When I had the stock headlight, this was yellow and nowhere near as bright. So this is a huge improvement, just like that on low beam. I got a high beam with the driving lights. It is awesome. Just the view we've got is fantastic. The difference? Massive. This is the biggest problem. You get a car come towards you and you go to low beam, it's like somebody's turned the lights out. So we'll just go down this little side road where there's trees. You can see the difference down here. Look at the difference. Let's just have a compare without the... So that's full beam with the side lights, driving lights. So there's no driving lights with the driving lights. You gotta love it. You have to love it. Yes, the other thing is that in the past, occasionally you'll see people go to pull across in front of you and then they notice a motorbike at the last minute and stop. And as you bikers know, we're always watching out for that. Since having the driving lights on, I've never had a car look like it's going to pull out on me. Look at the difference. It is so much safer with the three lights. You don't look like a reflection on a bumper or anything like that. You are three sources of light, and I've never had anybody pull out or look like they're going to look like pulling out, so I certainly feel a lot safer. I am definitely a lot more seen, and that can only be a good thing. So, one last comparison. Hey, daylight. You love it.